How to make money on Vivatic, earn money online jobs. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you around what the options are here on the side and how you can make money on Vivatic, and else I'm going to tell you about what the base service side is about. First, what is Vivatic and how you can make money on Vivatic. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my future videos, and give me a quick like, and don't forget to make a comment below. So let's get back to the first questions. What is Vivatic and how you can make money on the site? Vivatic is an online rewards website with a couple of traditional ways to make money online from home. Easy and simple site to use. So first I'm going to explain a bit about the site and who it might be for. It is actually mainly for people that lives in the UK and the US. If you do not live in one of these countries, there are still a few options but very limited. The only one that you can actually do is like these tasks. Now I don't have anything on my account, and in total I haven't made a lot. There is only few surveys. There is only very few surveys for all these micro tasks you can do. How to make money with Vivatic. As soon as you sign up, $1 will be credited to your account. All you have to do is fill up simple questionnaires for marketing research companies. Your personal information and options will be used to create new products. There are many tasks. The type of task depends on your budget level, and if you don't live in the UK or the US, but if you do live in one of these places, I'm going to show you where to find that difference of options. So here you can see one of the main things is you can press this take a server, and there is a long list here of different surveys that are available to you, and from different versions, and you just click them and check the server, and you can see the approximate time, and you can see how much you get paid for that. It is actually pretty point. When I tested Vivatic, there were no jobs for those with level 0 for 2 consecutive days. Since all the jobs available required budgets 1, 2, 3, it was impossible for me to get started and work towards any budget. Okay, for a series side, the reward he compared to the time. Also they have cash offers is another entrance to series, but it can also be other things. You can see again here, and there is also like some downloads. You can do some different apps downloads and get paid for that and watch videos. And then there is another option in the join side. Again, you can get some cash box if you take certain offers to sign up for different websites, and then they have the polls and the competitions. So it is very short polls. You can do daily process and you can see how much you can earn there, and then there is competitions. You participate in all these are available if you live in the UK or the US, and then there is these micro tasks. As I mentioned, anybody can get this. It is done through a place called Crowdfloor. It is a small online task. Right now there is no one ever available for me, but I have actually done several of these little tasks. It is paid very little, and that's also why I haven't used Vivatic a lot myself. But eventually, if you do enough of these, you also get access to these writing jobs, and that's where you get paid a bit more for doing different writing tasks. It can be, writing reviews, it can be writing articles or whatever writing jobs, so that can also be an option. And then the last option here is to refer a friend. That means if you invite anybody, send a link, and if you invite anybody to join the site, and that you will get a small reward for that. Refer a friend, and when you sign up with Vivatic, a referral link, a special type of URL is created for you. This unique link directs to anyone to Vivatic's website. So that's a quick tour of what the Vivatic is about and how you can earn money on Vivatic. And if you live in one of these countries, it does have some potentials, and if you not live in the US or the UK, there is a very little you can do. I hope this had helped you out a bit about Vivatic. Is helped you. Vivatic is a site for you to join to start earning money online from home. It is easy and simple. I hope this video helped you, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a like and a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.